Where's that VB fam? Learn Bang, back with another episode. We all about that foodie, yo. We love everybody, though. Banging out some more episodes. No drama, it's all about mama. No sticking to a script, it's real life. Honey, stay tuned. And don't forget to watch them episodes. We all about that foodie, yo. Thanks, VB fam. Love y'all.
Hey y'all, how's it going? Guess what? It's your boy, VERN Bang! Yes, honey, it's your boy, VERN Bang, and we're back with another episode. Yes, sugar. We are back with another episode. So today, girl, let me tell you what we got today. Before we get into all this delicious food and everything you see before me, honey, we gotta get this man up here. Some glory, baby. We gotta get this man up here. Some glory. Lord Jesus, thank you for this day. Thank you for everything you do in our life, Lord Jesus. I just want to thank you for everyone that you put in my life, Lord Jesus. I just want to thank you for everybody that watches my channel. I want to thank you for everything you do. And Lord, please bless everybody in this whole wide world. Yes, Lord, I said this whole wide world. You know their hearts, you know their needs, Lord Jesus. In your name I pray. And let's put this extra, triple, double power of protection over everybody in the whole wide world. Yes, honey, you know what I mean. In your name I pray. Alrighty, y'all, how's it going? Yes, we're back on another one, honey. So we got some double fried, naked ranch chicken wings. So yeah, double fried naked ranch chicken wings. We got us a big old ickle pickle. Yeah, because I was like, you know what? I gotta have me a pickle on the side. And everybody's like, girl, now take y'all minds out of the gutter. Because every time I see something hot, you know, like hot chicken, or everybody has a pickle with it. So, girl, peel it back a little bit. Yeah, so if it gets too hot, we're gonna buy a little bit of pickle. Or if it's hot, we're gonna buy a little pickle. That way we can see what the hot and the pickle do. And you're like, Bird, you 4 shades of the wind. Girl, I'm only 2.5, but we alright. So we got D, girl, we got D on deck. Yeah, D's on deck. Oh yeah. And Coke Zero, baby. Coke Zero. So, my deal today is we're gonna do a wing review. A wing
the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
And sauces review. Now I'm only doing certain sauces, and plus I got me hidden sauces. So let me explain a little bit, Lucy. So, I don't know if you've been watching me. If you haven't been watching me, you just need to go back and watch me. So, I told you when I got... So, the first bottle I got for free was Lips Original. He sent it for free. Thank you, Lips. Baby. I'm ready for another original. Thank you. Anywho. I'll probably have to buy it, but anyway. So, I got the double, whatever the spicy he was doing at that time. And I think he sent me his drink this time. Because girl, she was hot. I couldn't eat it. So what I did was I poured half a bottle out and I filled it up with the Valentina hot sauce. So this is my watered down lips. And she's still hot because the heat keeps growing. I don't know what. She puts tons of peppers in it. I have no idea. But the heat keeps growing. And this thing is so hot. You see how much I eat of it, right? So this is the watered down version. We'll just turn her like this. Because I know that label's a mess. We need extra labels. But anyway, so the bottles, I put one in this bottle. Okay. And this was back, I ordered in January. I think I got it maybe in March. So this is back from March. Okay. Yeah. So it's been sitting in this bottle from March. And another big bottle from March. And it is super hot. As a matter of fact, I'm going to say this is going to be hotter than this. I guarantee you. The lips, double X that I got, that's been growing them. Yeah, you do the months. Getting hotter and hotter as hot as snot. To say a simple word. I think it's going to be hotter than this. So we're going to do our double XL non-watered down edition. We're going to do Scorpion. Alright. So I got me some blue cheese so I don't kill myself. Because we dipping it because it's going to be hot. So I'm going to go ahead and put my blue cheese in this bowl. Marker. Alright, and then I was like, you know what? I got my sauce doctor and we're almost out. So I'm going to try it with my sauce doctor. And then I got something new. Hey, you see it? You see it, family? You see it? It's a Tabasco habanero barbecue jerk sauce. Hey. That's what I got today at Walmart. $3.97 a bottle. And I got my blue cheese. And then we got our, which I washed it, but so it looks super clean. Yeah, because if you do YouTube and you can wash stuff until you get a wet wipe, you wipe it down. Hey, she ain't gonna look super clean on both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start at the lowest level, which I think is gonna be this one, but we're gonna see. So. And this is the sauce doctor. Sauce doctor. Sauce doctor. Oh my god. Baby. Boy, that crunch of the naked wing. And by the way, these are naked ranch wings. If you didn't catch it in that. Oh, it ain't going down like that. Yeah. Because thank God my roommate's on vacation. 3-second roll. Baby. We in the Clean Bone Club. Let me get up and watch. I heard a beep and a burp. Let's see what's going on. Okay, still going. There we go. Alright. So that is really good. So that's a bang, and I said I'm gonna do like 2 wings per sauce. You know. We got some extra sauce down here. Well, these are super country. So I got these wings. I'm like, Vern, I already know you're gonna tell us. Go! Alright. More. If you want to know, I got these wings at Walmart. And I got 4 pounds for $10.75. Raw. Unnaked. Yep. Yep. And if you look at those wings, they're not going to tell you to fry it. But girl, you can fry it. All they have is oven and microwave with it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. I got some more wipies down here. And don't worry. Alright. Clean all this up. So we haven't eaten no blue cheese yet. So we're gonna go to our Tabasco habanero jerk barbecue. Yeah, sugar. And over here, she is thick. Let me go ahead and show you. Ooh, she's thick. She's thicker than a rich Betty on welfare. Anyway, I double fried these. You just gotta fry them and you gotta poke them a little bit with a stick. Because they get air pockets on them. And then rest and then fry them to your liking. Better than any coating you can put on them. Better than any coating. Because it's pure chicken on chicken. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay. So good. Let's do a flat. Let's see how flat. I'm going to put some of this on a flat. Yeah. This sauce is really good. It's not hot. It's not blow your head off hot. It has a nice jerk flavor. It's very thick. You see I got it tilted up. Little bit. So good.
Alright, y'all, go to tulips.com. Get you some hot sauce and merch, baby.
So what are y'all eating with me?
Go get you some hot
Maybe
sauce
I know it's gotta
and
be something fabulous.
merch. Yes, honey sugar.
And if y'all not eating nothing
Please
with
go
me,
support my friend. Yes.
I'm glad you joined in.
Tulips.com.
Thank you, thank you, thank
It'll be
you.
in the pinned comments.
And I want to
if you need
thank
the
all my
link.
subscribers.
Yes,
Thank you,
sugar.
thank you, thank you. We're just keep growing. Our numbers keep going up. You know. If you're new to my channel, I've been on YouTube for 4 years. So, on January 29th of next year, 2022, it will be 5 years. So, I just thank you. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, and now if I'm on here another 10 years and I ain't got 1,000 subscribers, guess what? Baby, maybe I just got the right people watching me. Period. Mm-hmm. Give me something to do, baby. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that is very good. So let's do a recap. We did sauce doctor. Mm-hmm. We did the habanero Jamaican jerk, and I'm gonna make sure the camera's still rolling. So let's. Ooh, that was a nasty burp. Oh yeah, we still rolling. Mm-hmm. All right. So yeah, we got V. All righty. So now let's get into some of the. Yeah, because I was doing like 3 per wing. I don't think this sauce is gonna really matter. So let's do, let's do the double XL lips that's been sitting for moons and moons and moons. We're gonna go ahead and kiss it gently. Yeah, see, just a little gently. Mercy. Have mercy. Golden, baby. Let's try to buy the pickle. Ooh. And that's a good old sour pickle. Yeah, because there's a lot of things about spicy stuff you don't want to overdrink. You just want to breathe through the heat. Yeah, because a lot of times repent. Yeah. You might just spill your cookies. Anyways, let's go ahead and try one of these rings colored yellow. You know, try by itself. Oh my god. This little snowy white ranch wing. Oh baby. Girl, you can put a plethora on it. I think I plethora on it. Baby. She good, just like that. Period. Alright. Let's try the scorpion. Yeah. Put a little bit. A little bit. So, my thing is the double XL Lips Eats over here. I've been sitting for months and months. Sugar. So this is 50,000. I wish I had a Scoville meter because I guarantee this is way over. Way over. Yeah. Maybe a little bit. She makes your hearts for some mark. Now, let's try some the water down. Ooh, she good all day. Oh yeah, buddy. I can't waste this blue cheese because I love blue cheese. With my wings. Who buys that? Who doesn't like blue cheese with the ring? Who doesn't love? And don't worry, I got a bucket down here, so. I'm the only cleanup crew around here. But yeah, she's hot. I think one drop. Maybe let's see. I'm gonna do a drop. Bye-bye. So good. So let me make sure we're still filming. You're like, Vern, why are you getting up so much? We've been on it for a minute. Been on it for a minute. Mercy. Let's see, cleaning this up. I'm trying to get me some dessert. So I got these beautiful bad boys. Yes, and these are coconut flavored medjool dates. Baby. These are like sugar and candy. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can move it. Wipey out. So no added sugar, no pesticides, coconut, medjool date rolls. Yeah, baby. And they're, let's see, 2 grams of sodium, 1 gram of saturated fat, 0 trans fat, total fat 1 gram, carbohydrates 14, sugars 2, yeah, yada yada yada, yeah. Already sent you a bag about $8 a pop, a pack. But can't help what you love. Tony, these ranch wings. Homemade. Yeah. Homemade. Oh yeah. So, please go get you some lip sauce and merch, baby. And if you can't handle the heat, just send them to me. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, Bible. This is so good. This new Tabasco habanero. Honey, this is my jam right here. This is my jam. We about to do this on some brisket. Yeah, sir. About to do that on some brisket. Let's try a little bit of this. I like this one. This is a Cajun. My bestie got me from Louisiana. That's this spicy. Got Cajun powder. Baby. It is like super garlicky. It's like you get a bottle of Louisiana hot sauce. It's just Cajun powder. They got boom, and that extra spicier Cajun flavor. So, don't worry, I cleaned up my room. I do everything in my room. So, anyways, honey, peace, stay true, and you've been VERN Bang, baby. You do you, honey. I already know you're gonna be the best you. And sugar, if there's one thing I can tell you, that I tell myself all the time: never let anybody change you. Period. Why? Yes, honey, because you perfect. Yes, honey, you are perfect. Perfect. Just the way you are. Period. Alrighty.
One love with no hate. Why can't we be? I said yo to one love and no hate. Until then, my heart's gonna bleed purple. It's a feeling of my soul. I can sit here and ponder a bit. Bleeding purple is the sign that we ain't gonna stand for these times. Until we ain't gonna hate.